Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to stitch a simple and no-fuss snowflake using the Fern Stitch and the woven circle and woven oval. Choose 6 strands of embroidery floss for the stitching. I will begin making the Fern Stitch on the bottom of each arm of the snowflake with a darker shade of the color that I chose. I like the teal color for the snowflake. I also add 2 extra straight stitches, extending the Fern Stitch to the center. After working on all the arms, I work one more Fern Stitch on the top with a lighter shade. I do the same on all the arms. Next, I add a straight stitch with an even lighter shade on the top or the tip of each arm. Now comes the fun part. I use all the strands of the metallic thread to work a woven circle in the center using the arms of the snowflake for the base. Metallic threads are difficult to stitch with, but using it to weave between stitches is a no-fuss way to add sheen to your project. I then work woven ovals on the ends of each arms using the Fern Stitch and the straight stitch as the base. That's it. My super simple snowflake is done.